Oh, you swallowed it, like.
Alright, I have a razor blade. I have a real razor blade. Please be careful. Don't touch here. Please, could you cut the paper out?
With this?
It's a sharpness, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I swallow the razor blade.
Then don't do that.
Yummy! All right. I have more razor blade. Would you like some? No, okay. Please don't copy me. I will eat all of them. Delicious. Wow. Last one is strings.
Why does he keep eating things?
He'll never eat his dinner after this.
Wow, that is good.
Thank you. 많아.
I put a spell on you.
What I was hoping to do was show you all something interesting with a pack of playing cards. I'm just gonna, let's say we use this one. I've got a Sharpie in my pocket. Just sign your name right on the face of the card.
All right.
Thank you. We've got the face of the card with Chris's signature on it. But I'm gonna change the back. If you watch, it happens on the count of 3. That's 1, that's 2. That's
Come on.
Please take a look at it. Make sure it is exactly what it seems to be.
That's my damn card.
Now, I do have a bone to pick with you, sir.
No, you do.
You did say that my routine wasn't nearly as dynamic. And the truth of the matter is I've kind of taken it to heart. And in fact, I brought a special magic wand here just for you, sir.
This is always going to happen one day. Oh my God.
What I want you guys to do is keep your eyes on the card, but also keep your eyes on the hammer as the card completely vanishes. But for your safety, I want you to move down to the other side of the table.
You want me to go to the other side?
Yeah, would you guys just mind just sliding down just a little
Sure.
Because this is going to be interesting.
We
Because
will.
when the card vanishes, people always ask, where in the world could it be? Here on the table, if you don't mind, sir. Go ahead and examine it, open it up, and tell me, is that your signature?
This is my card! That's my crappy signature.
I take it back. I take it back. That was good.
He's so talented, like so
I mean,
skilled.
what he did, I have no idea how he did it.